Banmankhi Assembly Election 2025 BJP candidate Krishna Kumar Rishi won the seat by defeating RJD candidate Upendra Sharma with a margin of 27,743 votes. The Banmankhi Assembly constituency is one of the 243 constituencies in the Bihar Legislative Assembly. It is constituency number 59 of the State Legislative Assembly. The constituency is a reserved for scheduled castes SCs. The Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD, the Janata Dal United JDU, the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, and the Congress are the main parties in the state. The Banmankhi Assembly constituency comes under the Purnia Lok Sabha constituency. In the last assembly election in 2020, BJP candidate Krishna Kumar Rishi won the seat by defeating RJD candidate Upendra Sharma. In the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, independent candidate Papu Yadav won from the Purnia Lok Sabha seat with a margin of 23,847 votes by defeating Santosh Kumar of Janata Dal United. The Special Intensive Revision SIR in Bihar is being implemented in accordance with the Election Commission of India's order before the Bihar Assembly Elections 2025. The objective of an intensified revision is to ensure that the names of all eligible citizens are included in the electoral roll so as to enable them to exercise their franchise. The last intensive revision in Bihar was conducted by the Commission in the year 2003. The Banmankhi Assembly constituency is a part of the Purnia district. The Election Commission of India (ECI) is expected to announce the poll date for the Banmankhi constituency along with the schedule for the Bihar Assembly elections soon. The Election Commission of India (ECI) will announce the result date along with the schedule for the Bihar Assembly elections soon. All political parties are waiting for the official schedule of the Bihar Assembly election and haven't declared their candidates yet. As per data from the Election Commission, there were 307,554 voters in the Banmankhi constituency during the 2020 Bihar Assembly elections. Out of this, 158,400 voters were male and 149,140 were female. There were 873 postal votes, 526 valid in the constituency. The number of service voters in Banmankhi was 278. 264 men and 14 women in 2020. In 2015, the total number of voters in the Banmankhi Assembly constituency was 283,039. Out of this, 146,954 voters were male and 136,079 were female. There were 1,138 valid postal votes in the constituency. The number of service voters in Banmankhi was 103,74 men and 29 women in 2015. In the 2020 Bihar Assembly elections, BJP candidate Krishna Kumar Rishi won the seat with a margin of 27,743 votes. 15.78. He received 93,594 votes with a vote share of 51.74. He defeated RJD candidate Upendra Sharma, who got 65,851 votes, 36.41. Nota was at third position with 5,384 votes, 2.98. In the 2015 Bihar Assembly elections, BJP candidate Krishna Kumar Rishi won the seat with a margin of 1,794 votes, 0.99. He was polled 59,053 votes with a vote share of 35.82. RJD candidate Sanjeev Kumar Pawan got 58,345 votes, 35.39, and was the runner-up. Independent candidate Jai Kishore Pawan stood third with 7,458 votes, 4.52. In 2020, the total number of valid votes polled in the Banmankhi Assembly constituency was 175,495 or 58.92%. In 2015, the total number of valid votes polled in the Assembly elections was 162,991.